You might see Steam must be running to play this game error upon launching a Steam game. If you are facing this error, then here is the answer to it. This error usually crops up when Steam is missing from your computer. So, check if you have installed Steam on your Windows 11 device. If it is missing, then download and install the Steam client on your computer. Head over to Steam's official website and click on Install Steam. After downloading, install the app. A direct download link is provided in the description box. Next, you should verify the integrity of the problematic game. This error can appear if important files are missing from the game directory. To fix this, open Steam and head over to Library. Right-click on the game that shows the error and choose Properties. Choose Local Files from the left sidebar. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files option on the right pane. If any files are missing, then it'll automatically download the missing game files. Lastly, check for Steam updates. Launch the Steam client and click the Steam option from the top left corner. Choose Check for Steam Client Updates from the context menu. Steam Self-Updater window will crop up and download any available update. This helps you solve the Steam error on your Windows 11 device. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.